Welcome to Jibril Academy, Exercise 117, Part C, Start. As to the architect's project for the alteration of the club premises, I rather suspect that his idea of the architectural possibilities is imperfect and incorrect. Full stop. With great respect to him, because of the imperfection of my acquaintances with architecture, I respectfully suggest that he should take counsel with someone whose architectural ability would entitle him to express an opinion. Full stop. I quite expect the architect will consider me disrespectful, and I am upset at the prospect of a disagreement with him. Full stop. My object is to secure an inspection of the premises as they are, and I believe that unexpected and, indeed, unsuspected possibilities may develop as a result. Full stop. There can be no disrespect in suggesting that a retrospective view of the case, so as to secure proper perspective, comma, should be undertaken, full stop. This is exactly what I suggested some time ago, comma, but it was considered an interference with the administration, comma, and no steps were taken, full stop, stop.